Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to record voice in CapCut PC, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to record voice in CapCut PC. When you are in CapCut, you need to click the record button. You see this icon, voiceover. Just click on it. And here input device, for microphone, yeah, just turn on, and here volume 100% is okay, and then here echo reduction, just check the box, and here enhance voice, and after that just click the red button, and then you have 3 seconds, and then just you can talk and say whatever you want. And when you finish, then just click the red button again, and you can see here now the voice over, it's added to the media and to the timeline. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to record audio in CapCut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.